Hi everyone, for today I'm going to discuss to you the sum indifference identities, and I'll show you the formula and some examples of sine, cosine, and tangent. First, I will show you the cosine sum indifference formula. Cosine sum formula is cosine A plus B is equal to cosine A times cosine B minus sine A times sine B. Cosine difference formula is cosine A minus B is equal to cosine A times cosine B plus sine A times sine B. Sine sum indifference formula. Sine sum formula is sine A plus B is equal to sine A times cosine B plus cosine A times sine B. Sine difference formula is sine A minus B is equal to sine A times cosine B minus cosine A times sine B. Now we're going to tangent sum indifference formula. Tangent sum formula is tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A times tan B. Tangent difference formula is tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B over 1 minus tan A times tan B. Now, we're going to the function of the special angle that we will use to determine the angles. Examples without using of a calculator. Determine cosine 75. In determining cosine 75, we will use the formula. We will choose either the cosine sum formula or the cosine difference formula. And I choose the sum formula. And after we're going to derive the cosine 75, we will choose either 30, 75, or 60, that any number we can add so that we can derive the cosine 75. So I choose 45 plus 30. 45 plus 30 is equal to 75. Take note that any number in here is we can interchange in summation, but in difference we can't. Next, I substitute the formula, so that's it. Next, we will going to see the functions. These are the functions, and we will distribute it. Cosine 30, cosine 30 is here, square root of 3 over 2 times cosine 45. Cosine 45, I choose square root of 2 over 2. Square root of 2 over 2 then copy the sign, negative. Sine 30 is 1/2, so I choose 1/2 times sine 45 is square root of 2 over 2. Over 2. This number that I write here is it came from here, a function of angle. Then we multiply it. Square root of 3 times square root of 2 is equal to square root of 6. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Minus 1 times square root of 2 is equal to square root of 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Then, as we can see, The denominator is common, so we will combine it. Square root of 6 minus 2 over 4. And this is the cosine 75. Next, we are determining the sine 15, and I choose the formula by difference, sine difference formula. Then 45 minus 30 is equal to sine 15. So I substitute the formula. These are the functions. These are the functions that we were going to use again, like the previous. Then we will substitute sine 45. Sine 45. Sine 45, I choose square root of 2 over 2. Square root of 2 over 2 times cosine 30. Cosine 30, square root of 3 over 2. Just like the other one or the previous one that I solved, then cosine 45, square root of 2 over 2. Times sine 30, 1/2. Then we will multiply it. Square root of 2 times square root of 3 is equal to square root of 6. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Minus, copy the sign, square root of 2 times 1 is equal to square root of 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Then, the denominator is common, so we will combine it. Square root of 6 minus square root of 2 over 4 is the sine 15. If you have the question, why 45 and 30 I choose? Because in the functions of angle, these 30, 45, and 60. Next, we are determining the tan 75. I choose the tan sum formula and I distribute it. Tan 45 plus 30 is equal to 75. And we will use the functions. So, tan 45 is equal to tan 45 1 plus tan 30. Tan 30 is, I choose 3 square root of 3 over 3 over 1, copy the sign, minus 2, minus tan 45 is 1 times tan 30, tan 30, tan 30, square root of 3 over 3. We will Next, we're going to 1 times 3 is equal to this is 3 over 3. Then copy square root of 3 over 3. Then over 3 over 3 plus square root of 3 over 3. Next is you're going to here 3 erase it 3 plus 3 plus square root of 3 over 3 over 3 minus square root of 3 over 3. Correction, this is negative. Minus 2. Minus pala to. So, 3 minus 3 over 3. Then we will combine it is equal to 3 plus square root of 3 square root of 3 over 3 minus square root of 3. This is the tan 75. Bye. Thank you for watching.